Welcome back, HARBROs, to the HARBRO channel. Quality videos, lowest prices. Today, we have Deal of the Day 4. Deal of the Day 4, and it is all Franklin cards. We're 3 for 3. We're 3 for 3 from our predictions. There was a couple naysayers saying that it was just suppositions, but we're on it. 35% off, all Franklin cards. Deal of the Day 4. Coming May 4th. If you find this useful and helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. And if that's all you wanted to know, there you are. 35% off all Franklin cards. There was a few HARBROs who were super excited about these cards because there's some really nice ones. So if you want to stay tuned for the deep dive, here we go. We got it the course of 3 days of deals. We just did the free gift video, free icon, Predator Days. Please consider liking and subscribing. But let's do this. Franklin card promotion. There's 7 items already sorted from high to low, but let's go through them. Let's give them their 5 to 15 minutes of fame. I don't know, they're great. Starting with Franklin, 1,000-pound capacity hydraulic cart, $360. Pretty pricey right off the bat. Heavy duty shop cart, has foot pedal. That's nice. Operation to keep your hands free as you lift loads up to half a ton. The table raises to 34.5 inches. Some of the HARBROs mentioned that last time. Very key, know what it rises to and know the height of your truck bed or whatever it is you're lifting. Table raises to 34.5 inches high for easy transfer to workbench or engine stand. $360, 35% off is excellent. We're not seeing the 40% too much now for the whole categories, but 35% is there. $360 at 35% off. Getting it down to $234, saving almost $130 on the Franklin 1,000-pound capacity hydraulic table cart. Schmantastic, $234. But let's look to see. Maybe it doesn't, maybe it does. 1, warranty information, 90-day warranty. Okay, standard HARBRO freight. Let's look at some specs. 161 pounds, 38-inch product height, lifts 34 inches. Product length, 42 inches, 1,000-pound working load, platform width, 20 inches, 4.7 stars out of 5, 95% customers would recommend. Great cart, many uses, great for lifting, positioning heavy items. And let's see how the HARBROs are doing it. Great tool. Have had the hydraulic table for a couple weeks, handles my Volkswagen engine, no problem. I'll be installing my transaxle in the next week. Why 4 stars? I don't know. Some people don't give away that last star. But excellent use. Back saver, also 4 stars. I was impressed with the construction and quality of the product. Look at this thing. Lift height is high enough to reach tailgate of a vehicle to assist in removing heavy items from a vehicle. I plan to use the lift to bring my outdoor power equipment, lawnmower, string trimmer, leaf blower, etc. up to height for service. I did expand the table with a piece of plywood. Look at this. Look at the HARBROs. 34 by 34 constructed a simple ramp to help roll my equipment up onto the lowered table. Lift table is heavy, 161 pounds, so the biggest problem was removing it from my vehicle. Once it was on the driveway and unboxed, the unit can be easily rolled with the caster wheels. This table will be used in my garage and backyard shed. I'm already considering the purchase of the 500-pound unit for use in my basement workshop. Genius! And this is the time you can get the 1,000 and the 500-pound carts. It allows me, look at this, great picture. In use. It allows me to slide heavy boxes in and out of my dually. The hydraulic pump works great, smooth. Having the release for the cylinder is nice. Having on the handle, the safety bars are set for the same height as most of my workstations. Just heads up, Kenneth, excellent picture, excellent use. From Kenneth again, it allows me to slide heavy boxes in and out of my dually. Look at that, harvest right. Back saver, I was impressed with the construction and quality of the product. Great cart, many uses, solid heavy duty cart, excellent for loading heavy stuff in the back of my truck. Also use mine as a motorcycle lift. Lift table, put this table to the test, installed an engine and a 1.5 turbo, 10 out of 10. Recommended. Amazing work surface and more. Great work table. Overall, looks like the HARBROs love it. $360, get it down to $234. Save almost $130. That's just the first one. Let's keep going. Franklin, this is the 500-pound capacity hydraulic cart. 250 lift heavy workpieces up to 28.25 inch high with this foot-operated hydraulic cart at $250. And this might be the option for everybody else. 35% off, gets it down to $162, saving approximately $90. compared to Global Industries. $90 savings, getting it down to 162. 4-inch swivel casters, all steel construction, foot operated pedal, weighs approximately 92. That's the shipping weight, 92 pounds. 4-inch caster, steel, lift height 28.25 inch, 90-day warranty, 4.6 stars out of 5, 95% customers recommend. Great tool, almost tailgate height, almost. And let's look at what they're using it for. Hydraulic cable car. I only needed one, so I won't buy it again. But if I do need another one, I would definitely buy another one. Makes my life so much easier. That big speaker. Great product. Purchased this months ago from Harbor Freight to unload a new embroidery machine. Definitely did the job. Perfect lift table for my shop. Looks like they also modified it. Basement shop. I have 1,000 pounds. Did this person, David L, were they the same person saying they were gonna get it for their basement shop? Well, look at this. They did it here. Lawnmower, snowblower service. Great cart. Easy to use. Great for working on my snowblower. Back saver. Best advertisement is when you buy a generator at Harbor Freight and they wheel it up to your truck with this. I just wish it came up 2 more inches to the level of my truck tailgate, but it's still a huge help. Back saver. Save your back. Look at this. Is that an oven? Perfect little table for my shop. I have the 1,000 model in my shed. Lawnmower. Game changer for my parts inventory. Heavy enough to move car, truck, rotors, brake pads. Hydraulic table car. Great lift, automotive and small engine work in my shop. Great cart. Man, they are selling me excellent deals on both carts. There's 1,000 and 500 pound options. The 500 pound goes up to 28 inches. The 1,000 pound goes up to 34 inches. So just heads up. And then the 500 pound down to 162. So again, save almost 90 bucks. So some excellent options already on those 2 Franklin carts. But we'll go through the rest. There's not too many. Starting again, Franklin 36 inch by 24 inch, 2 shelf utility cart in gray. Also available in black. Smoothed out here. The gray looks like it has the texture. Black a little bit smoothed out. Regardless, compared to Rubbermaid 130. Lightweight utility cart that carries heavy loads. Sounds like exactly up the HARBRO's alley. 130, which is pretty pricey for a cart, but at 35% off, 35% off all Franklin carts, get it down to 84 bucks and 50 cents for a cart, utility cart. I don't know. HARBRO, let me know how you feel about that one. That for some reason still feels pricey, but these are, I haven't used them, but they look like they're excellent quality. But we'll peruse the reviews, of course. Product overview, 500 pound weight capacity, large deep trays, comfortable handle, includes tool storage, 5-inch casters, easy to clean, 90-day warranty, 46 inches long, 25 inches wide, 33 inches height, 43 pounds, 500 working load. So we have it at 4.5 stars out of 5. 91% would recommend. Best cart, junk, can't hold weight. Exercise is great. Well, let's look. This cart is a beast. Look what they have it. They made it look like a beast. It looks like a beast. And actually, if you're in a shop or garage, you kind of need a cart. I've had this cart for about 8 years, and it's done everything I've asked of it with no complaints, including supporting the entire rear drive line out of a C6 Corvette. Sturdy, but they still gave it 5 stars. Sturdy, but I wouldn't go to 450 pounds. I needed a movable platform for my freeze dryer and vacuum pump, which weighs about 200 pounds. Place the freeze dryer on. Okay, so they're just saying heads up on the max capacity. This was a steal at 99 bucks. So this was a couple years ago. Easy to build, incredibly sturdy, lots of room. It's $130 normal price. If it's a steal at $99, 35% off gets it down to less than 85 bucks. So I believe it. It's going to be a steal at $99. It's a steal at 85 bucks, $84. They're using it for their, what is this, charging station. Gets it done affordably. I use this cart to store my agricultural spray drone. The drone awkward to lift, put on a shelf, but not bad to transfer from the cart to the truck bed. Dang, look at that. I have another 150 pounds of batteries and chargers on the lower shelf. Well done. Great larger size cart. Portable cart that had at least 32 by 24 of surface space. Gets the job done. Works great for the large Harvest Right freezer dryer. Good value, fair price. Better when it's on sale. However, it's not very durable. Broke on assembly. 90-day warranty. Great cart. Brake job. Walking back too much. He was walking back and forth too much. Got a cart. Okay, perfect. Very heavy duty. Well made. Love the quality of the cart. They only put a couple things on it, but they love the quality of the cart. Gets it done affordably. Look at that. Zoom in on the caster. So looks like the HARBROs love it. Get this one down to 85 bucks, choice of black or gray. We continue. We have the little bit smaller option, 30-inch by 16-inch two-shelf utility cart in gray, also available in black. Lightweight, dent-resistant utility cart, has smooth rolling casters for easy transport of tools, equipment, and parts. 100 bucks, you're gonna save. We'll do the math just to show it, but you're gonna save 35 bucks because it's 35% off. $65 for the smaller cart, brand new. Already has 1,200 reviews, 90-day warranty. And let's see how the HARBRO was. 4.8 stars. This one is even more popular because I guess unless you have the space, a small cart is probably better use for a regular size garage. Great cart, great price, saved me more work. I just got this car. I'm 80 years old and my air conditioner is hard to carry. Yeah. Good job. Now I can just wheel it to and from the window. I have a large garage and the light mobile cart is handy. Light and mobile plus I added a hinged bench top for greater usage. All right, there it is, open. Go HARBROs. Just the right size. My dialysis cycler fits perfectly on the cart. If I forget something while I'm attached to my cycler, I can roll everything around the house without unhooking. Life-saving uses of the Franklin cart. Man, five stars. Come on, 5 stars. Can't beat this cart. This cart's fantastic. I have to occasionally work outside and load up this cart and use my most used tools. Detailing cart. So far, it's working out great as a detailing cart, and being plastic, any water or spray when washing vehicles and motorcycles won't rust out the cart. True dat. Perfect compact tool cart. That makes sense for space. Perfect for ALP propane generator setup. Look at that setup. Dang, HARBROs, you guys are like MacGyvers out there. MacGyver bros. Handy cart, helpful cart for gardening as a work platform and to store tools. Good cart, really solid cart, does exactly what I intended it to do. Honestly, they are lightweight in size from what I expected but they are perfect. Once assembled, sturdy, solid, perfect. Easy to assemble. Rolling cart, nice cart. Who's sold on these HARBROs? Let me know which cart you're gonna get. I know you're gonna get it. There was a few of you that were excited. Which one are you gonna get? You're gonna get multiple carts. $65 for the 30-inch by 16-inch two-shelf utility cart, and we got a few more less exciting looking ones, but maybe the options. We have the 24-inch by 36-inch folding platform truck, 60 bucks. Sturdy platform truck hauls large loads and folds flat for easy transport at $60. Man, gets down to $39 for a solid transport truck. I guess we'll find out. 39 bucks for the 24 by 36-inch. 440-pound load capacity, 5-inch smooth rolling casters, rugged steel construction, rubber bumpers to protect walls and furnishing, 34 inches high, 5-inch casters, 36 inches long. That's the platform with 24 inches, 90-day warranty. And let's look at the example. Solid cart. Looks like they have two. After 5 years hauling 300 pounds of concrete every weekend to art shows, my original cart was finally showing some wear, so I picked up a new one. Best cart, period. Best cart, period. Better price than all the others. My old one will live on as a backup, and I will use it around my house for anything that I need to haul. Solid cart. All right, solid cart, solid praise. Good budget cart, carries 250 pounds of shop equipment into plants and factories with no issues, rolls well, sturdy, and handles feel adequate. Yeah, this makes sense. It's this foldable. It's made more for easy storage and for transportation. These ones you could lug along with you in your cars or in your trucks. So that makes sense. You're using it for transportation. Great cart, easy to put together as, let's see, a woman's fold down dolly and fold up when not using. I like 2 twist rollers. I put them on the front, easy to maneuver around, as well as the metal bar pushing. Okay, 4 stars. Great product. I needed a way to transport my 10 inches Dobsonian telescope, and it works perfectly. Very easy to assemble and to manipulate with the telescope on it. Excellent. It's still holding up 4 or 5 years ago. I work for a large urban school district, have to haul a lot of books in different schools. Look at that. 4 years of abuse. A woman's fold down dolly and fold up when not using. We did this one, bottom view. I do catering, so use this platform truck every single day. Exactly what I needed. Needed to transport 16 dozen cupcakes and able to fold up. Do catering. Yeah, so this is like a catering cart. Needed a cart for pull pump. It worked fine. Cookie Monster. Wife uses this to help with her projects. Look at that. A pig tire plant pot? Genius. Works on her projects. This card is a workhorse. So there you go. Surprisingly, the Harbros love this one, and this will go down to 39 bucks. 35% off, get it down to 39 bucks. 24 by 36 inch folding platform truck. Then, of course, similar to options, we have the Franklin 16-inch by 28-inch aluminum folding platform truck, 48 bucks. Sturdy platform truck is lightweight and folds down for easy transport. Slightly different design. 330-pound capacity, 4-inch smoothing roll casters, 2 rigid, 2 swivel, rugged steel construction, powder coat, rubber bumpers to protect your walls. Product weight, 20 pounds or 18 pounds. Relatively lightweight, 90-day warranty. And let's see, think outside the box. A few weeks ago, I purchased a Fortress 6-gallon air compressor. It's not terribly heavy, but at 73 years old and a bad back, was looking for a handy way to move it around. Look at that. Genius experience. A few weeks ago, yep. Let's see, the wooden dolly on sale was 30 bucks and would have to be modified. This was only 50 bucks and only needed adapting, no major modifications. That's true, and that's $48. We didn't even do the math on this one, but 48 bucks. Get it down to $31. 31 bucks for this deal. Great cart. My stepdaughter bought this today. Good quality, easy to use, put together. And like that, it folds up. Look at that. No space whatsoever. Durable, compact dolly, perfect size, can fit anywhere in the house. High quality product. Platform is adjustable. Big wheels and folding adjustable handle makes this a versatile small caddy with a high load rating. Great cart. Sturdy truck. Strong and durable. Move it to lug around your water. Durable and compact dolly. Easy to maneuver, lightweight, easy to store. Again, for this one, get it down to $31. And then last but not least, the Franklin 19-inch by 29-inch folding platform truck at $43. Slightly smaller than the other one. Sturdy platform truck hauls large loads, then folds flat. Easy for transport. 90-day warranty. 29-inch length platform. It's 18 pounds. 4-inch casters, steel. 18 inches wide. 330 pound of workload. And again, 1,500 reviews, 4.6, 95% customers recommend. Awesome car truck for the price. I actually bought this for my dog. She is older and doesn't walk well. I put her on this cart and she loves it. It's a good boy or a good girl. Reliable and a back saver. Was building a patio with 30 paver stones, 85 pounds each. Smaller than advertised. It's like an appliance dolly with a handle. Very good value. Purchased 2 of them. This platform truck saves me so much time moving pellets from my bulkhead over to my pellet stove. 5 bags in one trip is much better than 1 bag at a time. Moved 20 bags in 10 minutes. Happy wife, happy life. My wife's second favorite tool is in the arsenal she made. She paints and needs to carry a lot of supplies sometimes, and that's how she rolls in and out of buildings and elevators. Worked for what I needed, 3 stars. It's like an appliance dolly with a handle. Just okay. Great for catering. And that gives us a gist. $42.99, let's just say 43 bucks, and at 35% off, getting it down to $28, less than $28. And those are all the carts. There's 7 carts, all great options. Which ones are the Harbros considering? Deep dive completed. Anyways, I'll leave it at that. Harbros, happy harbor freighting, happy shopping. Good luck out there. Let me know which of these 35% off Franklin carts you're going to get. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your way.